Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the coffee types, the hot and cold coffees in the Philips LatteGo coffee maker. So the first one from the display is the espresso, normal coffee, americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, iced latte, and there we have a button for more drinks. So let's tap on it, choose the hot, and there we have the hot water, the cafe crema, ristretto, espresso lungo, cafe, I don't know, cafe latte, flat white, travel mug, milk froth, and the hot water again. Then we have the iced coffee, and there have the iced espresso, americano, cafe crema, cappuccino, I don't know again, cafe latte, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.